Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're making a tutorial about WWE 2K25 guys, and in this tutorial I'm going to share to you that how actually I got a copy of the game for free guys. And if you want to learn how to do this in any platform, then watch the video until the end. I'm going to share you all the steps I did for myself so you can learn it, also you how to do it on your own in platform that you are playing. Okay, so I just need to turn the camera in the other side so to show you the steps you need to follow, and we'll continue this tutorial immediately right now. Okay, you can see guys, I have right in front of you my iPhone. I suggest also you to grab your smartphone because you're gonna need it in order to get a copy of the game for free. It doesn't matter the device that you are using. It can be iOS, it can be Android. The same steps are going to work for the both devices. I'm just using iPhone because this is what I use. If you have Android, it's totally fine. As I mentioned before, the steps are going to be the same. So what we're going to do guys, I'm going to show you that how you can get actually a game code which you can redeem after a copy of the game in any platform that you are playing. Okay, me, I got it mine by SMS. I'm going to show to you by text. So how it looks like if you decide also to get by text is going to probably look the same. It says congratulations, task is being completed successfully, and this is the game code which is one-time use and is your WWE 2K25 game code from whiskcoupons.com. So basically I went to this site guys, which I'm going to show you also the rest of the steps, and I'm going to use the searching bar here not to make the video too long. Just type WWE and here it is down. You press on it, and down below guys you're gonna find different platforms. You just need to choose which platform that you want to get the code and we are playing, but the same steps are for the whole platforms guys. Okay, so I'm just going to continue with PC5, but as I mentioned before, the same is for the whole platform. So unlock the code. You just need to wait a couple of seconds so the whole circuit to get complete until the end. This is to verify the validity of the coupons on the site, and once it's going to get done, it's going to redirect you guys to another page when it's required to complete little task in order to unlock the code. So how it works, I'm going to show you. You just need to read the instructions. It's pretty simple, but anyway I'm going to show to you as well. So it says download the complete two apps below to unlock WWE 2K25 game code, and down below it says after complete the task enter phone number, email above to receive the code. As you saw with me, I got it by text guys because I put my phone number. If you want, you can get it also by your email. This is on your own choice how do you want to get the code. But before you do that guys, down below you're gonna find the list of the apps, which as you can see all of them they are for free, and all of them they are from App Store and Play Store. Okay, so this is totally legit guys. You don't have to do anything outside official stores guys. You have to do everything inside official stores as a App Store or Play Store. It depends on the device you are using. Okay, so how it works, you just need guys to choose two of these two apps to complete as a task. Every app have different instructions. You can see, make sure you read the instructions so you complete it correctly, you don't make any mistakes. Once you're going to choose which one you want to do it, first of all you try to find which is the easiest one, and so you don't have to spend too much time. And for example, how it works, you just choose, for example, me, I did High Five Casino and did Travel Town. So press on it, it shows again instruction what you have to do, and then continue, and then it's going to redirect me to App Store because I'm using iPhone. If you're using Android, it's going to redirect you to Play Store. As you can see, to me it shows open because I've done it before. So after I did the first one guys, High Five Casino, as you can see here I did also the Travel Town, and if you go back to the site you can have Travel Town as well. So also Travel Town, you continue again, press on it, continue the rest of the steps. Okay, once I did both of them, I came here, I just submitted I just put in my phone number, I submitted. Just one thing, you keep it in your mind guys, when you put your phone number, if you're going to get it by phone number, you should put also your country code, which it means that if you are from United States you put +1, if you are from United Kingdom +44, and so on, depends on the country you are. Okay, so after I submitted, a couple of seconds after guys, they just send me the text with a code. So basically this is it guys. I hope it was helpful and useful. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to press the like button. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section guys. I'll be very happy to get in touch with you with everything you need. All right, see you in the next videos. Cheers.